Enjoy the ride. Thank you.
Good evening! Thank you sa lahat ng mga loved ones, family, at friends na umattend ngayong gabi. Sana magustuhan niyo ang pinaghirapan natin lahat. Enjoy tayo tonight. Thank you! Hello everyone! Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat for being here tonight. And sana ma-enjoy ninyo yung film. Sana matakot kayo. Pero for sure, matatakot talaga kayo. So, enjoy the movie. Miss Suzette?
Magandang gabi sa ating gabi, kinatugtanan, mga Bisaya! Enjoy po kayo sa Rosario. This is something different. It's compelling. You will really enjoy it. Maraming salamat.
Miss Gay?
Hello everyone! Sana po mag-enjoy kayo ngayong gabi sa pananood ng Rosario.
Yes, magandang gabi and thank you all for coming. Share your experience tonight at sana po lahat tayo ay matakot at sumigaw ngayong gabi. At syempre, let's continue supporting our local movie industry. Yan.
Lance?
Hello po, good evening everyone. May gabi po sa tanan. Thank you guys all so much for coming. Sa mga pumunta na media, friends and family ko from Davao. Univercada, sobrang salamat sa inyong lahat na pumunta rin kayo. Yeah, to everybody na pumunta dito. Sana matakot po kayo.
Jairus?
Ayun, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much for coming to our fan supporters out there. To our family, friends, nandyan. And, Univercada, nandyan. Is that Direk Zino? Oh, hi Direk Zino. Oh, that's Nicole. Oh, hello guys. Thank you for coming. Nicole, maraming salamat. And, ayun, sana po sa inyo lahat ay pakalat niyo po yung magandang balita ng movie namin at sana matakot po kayo. Thank you so much.
Aubrey? Hello everyone! Good evening po. Maraming salamat po sa oras niyong lahat para samahan po kami sa premiere night. Thank you sa families po namin na nandito, sa friends, sa University Series cast. Thank you guys for coming. And sa celebrity friends namin, we love you guys so much. And of course, sa mga supporters po namin lahat, thank you guys for coming. And we hope po na pagkalabas niyo po sa sinihan ay matakot kayo. And please, please sana po spread niyo yung spread niyo po yung word na mga good reviews about our film. And encourage natin yung ibang mga ibang tao to watch again here in cinema. Yeah. Thank you po.
Once again, congratulations, Team Rosario! And now, it's time for a quick... Jairus, would you like to say anything? Wala naman. Baka lang may gusto ka sabihin kay Nicole. Ay, okay.
Hi, thank you for coming.
Okay. This time naman, let's take a quick photo op. Please face our camera. Ayan, para kita lahat. Ayan, para complete daw sa baba na lang. Para kita kayo lahat. Sir Rolly? We're waiting for you, Sir Rolly. Okay, let's take a photo this time. 3, 2, and 1. One more, 3, 2, and 1. Congratulations in advance to Team Rosario. Congrats, Direk, and you may go up. Please be careful going up sa inyong mga seats. And while they are going up, to be respected. This is a reminder to the public that making any copies of the movie Rosario is a violation of Republic Act No. 10088, Anti-Camcorder Act of 2010, and is punishable by imprisonment and imposition of fines. Further, creation and sharing of illegal and unauthorized links to the movie constitute acts violating the Republic Act No. 1893, Intellectual Property Code, and is likewise punishable by imposition of fines and imprisonment. The producers of Rosario shall exercise all its rights and available remedies to impose civil and criminal liabilities against any pirates. The producers shall also ensure that these pirates shall be punished to the full extent of the law. The cooperation of the public is sought to report any unauthorized and illegal links to legal@viva.com.ph. Once again, in short po, please silent phone and don't take photos and videos. And would like to encourage everyone to please be in your respective seats. We have names on the seats, so please look. Minahirap po namin ang lahat na ipakita ang inyong suporta sa Rosario sa pamamagitan ng pagbabahagi ng inyong mga larawan at reaksyon sa inyong mga social media accounts gamit ang mga Catermoon, Wingzone, Yogurino, Greyhound Cafe, Viva Cafe, Maple Tree House, and Do Show. We would like to give special thanks as well to SM Animal and SM Cinema. Once again, please settle down as we are about to begin the showing of the film Rosario. Please put your mobile devices on silent mode, and again po, bawal po magkuha ng kahit anong litrato or video once magsimula ang ating pelikula. After the film po, pwede na kayo mag-picture and show your reaction after watching the film, and please do post it on your socials. We appreciate all the comments. Once again, I'd like to invite everyone